So we've got our game pretty much working. Time to liven it up a little bit with some sound effects. So let's have sound effects for when we hit the ball, like a happy sound effect, and let's have a sound effect for when we miss the ball. So to do that, let's make sure we're on the ball first of all, and let's go to the sounds tab up here. So at the moment we have boing. Quite a cool sound, but it's not really what I'm looking for. Pop. Also quite good. Could use that. But I want something which is a bit more like a ding. So I'm going to go choose a sound. And let's have a look. Quite like that one. Electric piano. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I'm going to choose that one. Could maybe speed it up a bit. I like it like that. So now, in the code, I should have in my sounds menu a play sound block that says play sound B on electric piano. So let's have start sound, and that should happen when the ball touches the blue button. Stick that in there. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. Very nice. And then we need a sound effect for the sprite 1 when it's touching the ball. So we have to make sure we're on sprite 1 down here, and then do the same thing. Sounds, and then choose a sound. So maybe something like a bass sound. Yeah, that's the one I'm looking for. Let's take that one. So you can sample the sounds just by hovering your mouse over the purple play button, and then you click on the tile here to select the sound. There we go, it sounds good. So I'm going back to the code tab, and I'll say when the sprite 1 is touching the ball, change the lives by -1 and play that B bass sound. And now I'm going to use the play the sound until it's done. So it should work. Very nice. Didn't play all the way till the end when the stop all block kicked in, but never mind. I quite like those sound effects. Now if you want some background music during your game, you can go, I've gone back onto the code for the ball, because that's like my main code really, and I'm going to start a new whole block of code here, and then I'll say forever, and then I'll have a repeat 8 times, and then I want to go back to my sounds menu, but this time I'm going to look for the loops. This is like music, so that's a bit too much. It's quite cool. Yeah, I like that one. So I'll add that. Let's find one more good loop that we like. So loops. I like that one, so I'm going to take that one as well. Got those two in my sounds selections. So go back to the code. So first of all, I'll repeat this one until done 8 times, and then I'll, just so the music doesn't get too boring, 8 is a magic number in music, so then I will just, after 8, I will change it to dance chill out, and then let's go back to the sounds tab. Let's just make these a bit quieter. There, so it's like background music. Now when I press the green flag, I've got myself some background music. Lovely. Thank you very much.